Go home happy with the 2017 Chevrolet Camaro. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Quench your thirst for exhilaration in the legendary Camaro, the athletic performer with an aggressive stance and driver-centered technology. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, power passenger seat, power driver seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows. Feel the surge of controlled power and the rush of adrenaline when you rule the road in the Camaro.